for obesity and weight loss. Obesity, which is excessive accumulation of fat in the body, the problem is mostly attributed to poor lifestyle choices such as eating processed foods, high in fat, oversized food portions, overeating, excessive drinking, lack of physical activity, lack of sleep, and other similar habits. Genetic factors and hormonal problems also tend to increase the risk of developing obesity. Obesity creates a number of serious health problems such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, and others. It is important to adopt healthy lifestyle changes to combat this problem and to use some easy yet effective natural remedies to help with your weight loss efforts. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is one of the best home remedies for fighting obesity. It helps improve digestion and aids in detoxification. Healthy digestion is an essential for weight loss as it helps your body get the nutrients required to burn fat. It helps remove toxins from your body that slow down your metabolism. Mix 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder in 1 glass of water. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Do this daily for at least 3 months. Apple cider vinegar. Raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar is another popular home remedy to reduce excess weight. It can help protect against obesity. It helps break down fat and hence prevents the accumulation of body fat. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 2 teaspoons of raw unfiltered ACV in a glass of water. Drink it daily in the morning, preferably before meals. Drink a glass of water mixed with 1 teaspoon each of raw ACV and lemon juice. You can have up to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a day. Exceed amount as it may reduce your blood potassium levels over time and lower your bone mineral density. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is useful in treating obesity because it stimulates the metabolism, increases energy consumption and mobilizes unused fat in the body. It contains natural collagen proteins that make the body work harder in order to absorb the proteins. In addition, it helps remove toxins from the digestive system and colon. Take 2 fresh aloe vera leaves, peel them and scoop out the pulp. Put it in a blender along with 1 cup of citrus juice such as orange or grapefruit juice or simply water. Blend it for 2 to 3 minutes. Drink this daily for at least a month. Green tea. Green tea is another popular natural remedy to promote weight loss. Green tea helps slow down weight gain by limiting fat absorption and increasing the body's ability to use fat. Green tea is packed with nutrients such as vitamin C, carotenoids, zinc, selenium, chromium and other trace minerals. Drink about 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily to combat obesity. Also combine it with ginger tea or cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper helps control obesity and aids in weight loss. It contains capsaicin that stimulates your body to burn fat and increase energy. Add a dash of cayenne pepper to a glass of hot water. Squeeze the juice of half lemon in it. Drink this tea regularly at least for a month. Along with these remedies, make sure you drink 8 glasses of water throughout the day to flush toxins out of your body. Plant-based foods can help fight obesity because they contain phytochemicals that prevent oxidative stress which contributes to obesity. Another very important yet ignored tip to fight obesity is to have a proper breakfast. Those who have a big breakfast are most likely to lose weight. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe.